Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of modern home decor with a focus on concrete floating steps. These sleek architectural features are revolutionizing the way we think about staircases, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. Concrete floating steps, also known as cantilevered steps, are designed to appear as if they are magically suspended in mid-air. This illusion is achieved by hiding the supporting structure within the walls or beneath the treads, creating a seamless and minimalist look that's perfect for contemporary homes. One of the main advantages of concrete floating steps is their ability to maximize space. Without the need for bulky support columns or risers, floating steps create a sense of openness and airiness, making them ideal for small or narrow areas where traditional staircases wouldn't fit. Concrete floating steps offer endless design possibilities, allowing you to customize them to suit your unique style and preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a more organic and textured finish, there's a design option to match every aesthetic. One of the most striking features of concrete floating steps is their ability to seamlessly integrate into any architectural style. Whether you live in a contemporary urban loft or a rustic countryside retreat, floating steps can enhance the overall aesthetic of your home while adding a touch of modern sophistication. Before installing concrete floating steps, it's essential to carefully plan and prepare the space. This may involve consulting with a professional architect or contractor to ensure that the structural integrity of your home can support the weight of the steps and that all necessary permits are obtained. When selecting materials for your concrete floating steps, consider factors such as durability, maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Concrete is a popular choice due to its strength and versatility, but you may also explore alternatives such as wood, metal, or glass to achieve the desired look. Installing concrete floating steps is a complex process that requires specialized knowledge and expertise. Collaborating with experienced architects, engineers, and contractors will ensure that your project is completed safely and efficiently, with stunning results that exceed your expectations. While concrete floating steps offer undeniable aesthetic appeal, it's essential to consider your budget when planning your project. Factors such as the size of the steps, the complexity of the design, and the cost of materials and labor will all impact the overall cost of installation. Safety should always be a top priority when designing and installing concrete floating steps. Be sure to comply with building codes and regulations, install handrails and non-slip treads where necessary, and perform regular maintenance to ensure the ongoing safety and integrity of your staircase. Concrete floating steps are an excellent way to maximize natural light in your home. By allowing light to flow freely underneath the steps, you can create a brighter and more inviting space that feels open and airy, even in the darkest corners of your home. Floating steps aren't just functional, they're also a stunning design feature that can become the focal point of any room. Experiment with different textures, colors, and finishes to create visual interest, and draw the eye upward, adding depth and dimension to your space. To soften the sleek, industrial look of concrete floating steps, consider incorporating greenery into your design. Strategically placed plants and foliage can add a touch of warmth and natural beauty, creating a harmonious balance between modernity and nature. Concrete floating steps can also improve the acoustics of your home by reducing echoes and reverberations. The open space beneath the steps acts as a natural sound barrier, helping to absorb and diffuse sound waves for a more pleasant and immersive auditory experience. The minimalist design of concrete floating steps makes them an excellent choice for homeowners who appreciate clean lines and uncluttered spaces. By eliminating unnecessary details and focusing on simplicity, you can create a modern and sophisticated look that stands the test of time. Concrete floating steps provide the perfect opportunity to showcase artwork and decorative elements. Install recessed lighting or display shelves along the walls to highlight your favorite paintings, sculptures, or photographs, transforming your staircase into a gallery-worthy display. Floating steps can also improve accessibility within your home, particularly for individuals with mobility issues or disabilities. By eliminating the need for bulky support structures, floating steps create more space for maneuverability and can be easily adapted with features such as handrails and ramps. Concrete floating steps are an environmentally friendly choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Concrete is a sustainable material that can be sourced locally and recycled at the end of its lifespan, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. The unique design of concrete floating steps encourages creativity and innovation in home decor. Experiment with unconventional shapes, asymmetrical layouts, and unexpected materials to create a staircase that's truly one of a kind and reflects your individual style and personality. In conclusion, concrete floating steps are a versatile and stylish addition to any home, offering countless design possibilities and practical benefits. Whether you're renovating your existing space or building a new home from scratch, consider incorporating floating steps into your design for a modern and sophisticated look that will impress for years to come. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more home decor inspiration.